Hello students, welcome to OTT. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn 4th standard maths, unit 1 geometry. Okay, in that we are going to learn the properties of 3D shapes and how to find the perimeter of that shape. Okay, so many things we are going to learn, and what is tangram and how to use it. You are already learned tangram in 3rd standard. Okay, so these are the things we are going to see in this video. Come on, let's go. I already post in this unit part 1 video in YouTube. If you are not seeing that video, I give the link in the description. You can see that video. In this class we are going to continue that unit. This is part 2 video of geometry. Okay, let's move on to our class. First one, measure the sides and identify the names of different objects and find the differences among them and fill the table given below. Okay, here they are giving some objects. Okay, we have to measure that value. Okay, we have to find out, and for example, here we have chessboard. Okay, if you have chessboard in your home, you take your chessboard, and by using the scale you have to measure that length and breadth. Okay, in the way all the things. Okay, similarly all the objects you have to measure. Okay, for example, I am having the geometry box. Now I am going to measure its length and breadth by using this ruler. Ruler is nothing but scale. Okay, in scale you have the starting point 0. Okay, from 0 you have to measure. Okay, here we have the starting point 0. I am taking my geometry box. Okay, I am placing the scale on the geometry box. You see here 0 point is there, and the ending point is 17. Okay, so the geometry box length is 17 centimeter. Okay, now I am going to measure its breadth. This breadth. Okay, I am going to measure. I am placing the 0 point in the end of geometry box, here. That measuring value is 7. Okay, so its length is 17 and its breadth is 7. In the way you have to do, here we have all the objects: chessboard, postcard, window, paper, newspaper, max kit box. Okay, just now I teach that is a kite. Okay, so many objects are there. This is your activity you can do in your home. You can measure its length and breadth by using ruler. Next, shapes, sides, vertices, diagonals. Okay, in this column they are giving shapes. Okay, here we have to write the sides, vertices and diagonals. First one, square. How many sides in square? There are 4 sides in square, and the 4 sides are equal. Therefore 4 equal sides. Next one, vertices. How many vertices are there? Okay, what is vertices? First of all, the 2 sides are meeting one point. This point. Okay, this point is called vertex. Okay, the meeting the point. Okay, this point is called vertex. Therefore 4 vertex, 1 2 3 4 vertex. Diagonals, there are two diagonals. Diagonals is nothing but joining the opposite side. Okay, if you are joining the opposite side, you will get that you will get the straight line. That line is called diagonals. There are two diagonals in square. Okay, and that two diagonals are equal. Okay, equal in length. The two diagonals are equal in length. Next one, rectangle. Okay, how many sides in rectangle? Okay, we, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides in rectangle. Okay, there are four sides in rectangle, and that all in rectangle, not all the 4 sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Okay, in rectangle opposite sides are equal, therefore here you have to write opposite sides are equal. Okay, or otherwise you leave it. Here they are writing the equality, no, 4 equal sides. That's why I am telling you, if you want, you write opposite sides are equal. And how many vertices? Okay, the sides are meeting one point, the corner point, this point is called vertices. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. And diagonals, how many diagonals? Joining the opposite sides. Okay, joining the opposite, if you joining the opposite side, you will get one straight line. That line is called diagonals. In rectangle, two diagonals are also equal. Rectangle has two diagonals, that two diagonals are equal. Okay, same thing. Square, in square we have two diagonals are equal, you know, you have to write this line into here. Okay, the same thing. Next one, parallelogram. Okay, how many sides are in parallelogram? 1. Okay, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And here the two lines. Okay, these two lines. Okay, this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. Okay, that's why it is called parallelogram. Okay, the opposite sides are parallel, okay, to each other. That's why it is called parallelogram. It is like rectangle, you know. Rectangle is in sorry, okay, just leave it. Okay, in parallelogram, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also 4 sides. 4 sides, and how many vertices? Corner point 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. And how many diagonals joining the opposite side? 2 diagonals. Here 2 diagonals are equal in rectangle and square, but in parallelogram 2 diagonals are not equal. Okay, not equal. 2 diagonals are not equal. That means not equal. Okay. In last we have rhombus. Okay, in rhombus how many sides are there? There are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices. And how many diagonals joining the opposite side? 1, 2. There are 2 diagonals, and the 2 diagonals are not equal. Okay, if you measure this length, okay, by using ruler, you will get different values. Okay, different measurement values, so that in rampers there are two diagonals, that two diagonals are not equal. Parallelogram also has two diagonals that are also not equal. Okay, only square and rectangle two diagonals are equal. Okay, that's all students. Next, circle. We have already seen this exercise in part 1 video. Okay, I just recall it, I just read it, you listen. A line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called a radius of the circle. Okay, line segment joining any point on the circle on its center, okay, is called a radius of the circle. I already teach you what is radius in first video. Okay, if you are not seeing that video, go and see that video. Okay, line segment with its end points on the circle is called chord. Okay, a chord passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter. The diameter is the longest chord. Okay, we have already seen this, so I skip this one and move on to next one, perimeter. Okay, perimeter. In Tamil we can say sutralavu. Okay, the perimeter is the sum of all sides of a closed figure. This is very important. The perimeter is the sum of all sides of a closed figure. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides means you have to add all the sides, then you will find the perimeter of the figure. Suppose, for example, here we have one figure, if you want to find out the perimeter, you have to add all the values, side values. Okay, here they are mentioning, side values in centimeter. You have to add all the sides value, then you will find the perimeter of this figure. Okay, in the way all the things, all the figures you have to do. For example, let us discuss this example. Okay, here we have one figure. In that we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Okay, perimeter is nothing but what? Sum of all the sides. Okay, sum of all sides. So that what is first of all they are mentioning the sides. Sides equal to AB. Okay, AB is nothing but this side. AB. Okay, AB and BC. BC this side. Length. BC and CD. CD. Okay, this side. CD and DA. DA. Okay, these are all the sides. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is what? Sum of all the sides. So that we have to add these all the sides. Okay, that's why they are putting the plus mark between the two sides. Okay, perimeter equal to AB. Sum means plus. Okay, sum BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, what is AB? What is AB here? AB. What is AB? They are giving 3 centimeters. Okay, therefore they are writing 3. Okay, 3. Next, what is BC? What is BC here? 6 centimeter. Okay, so they are writing 6. And what is CD? CD is how many centimeter? 8 centimeter. So they are writing 8. Here what is DA? DA what is? 2 centimeters. So they write 2. Okay, so we have to add these all the numbers. 3 plus 6. Okay, shall we count? 3 plus 6. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if you add 3 plus 6 you will get 9. Then 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? Okay, shall we count 9 plus 8? Shall we count 9 plus 8? Okay, you should okay, you see my fingers. I'm going to count 9 plus 8. Okay, I keep it in my mind 9, and now I'm going to count 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 5 finger. 14, 16, sorry, 15, 16, 17. Okay, here we have 5. I am having 5 finger. In this hand I am having 3 finger, so that I complete 8. Okay, where I end that number, last number 17. Okay, where I count 17. Okay, therefore 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 8, 17. Now 17 plus 2. Okay, this 2. Now 17 plus 2, I just keep it 17 in my mind, and I am going to count 2. 17. What is the next number? 18. 18. Next one 19. I am having 2. Okay, so the answer is 19. I hope you understand, students. The answer is 19. In the way you can easily count that number. Okay, so the perimeter is 19. Importantly, what is the unit? Centimeter. You have to write that one. Okay, here they are not writing the centimeter for adding, but in the end, okay, perimeter, if you write the perimeter, in the end you have to write the centimeter. That is called unit, standard unit. Okay, the centimeter is called standard unit. That's all, students. In the way you have to find the perimeter of the figures. Okay, let us discuss another one. Here we have square. Okay, but they are giving only one value in square, because in square all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, so that if you have one measurement value, that value will be applied in all the sides. Okay, that's why they are giving only one value, 8 centimeter, because this side is equal to this side. What about this side length? This side is equal to this side. These two sides are equal. Not at all 2 sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Therefore, what is this length? 8 centimeter. Okay, this length also 8 centimeter, and this length also 8 centimeter, because in square all the sides are equal. This side is called also 8 centimeter. Oh, okay, now what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides. Okay, here in a given square all the sides are equal. We are already known that one. Therefore perimeter of a square equal to PQ, PQ, QS, QS, SR, SR plus RP, RP. We have to add this all the sides. What is PQ? 8 centimeter, QS 8 centimeter, SR 8 centimeter, RP 8 centimeter, because in square all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. We have to add these 4 sides. 8 plus 8. Okay, now I keep it 8 in my mind. Now I am going to count 8. Okay, what is the next number in 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, here 5 fingers, here 3 fingers, therefore totally 8. Okay, I count that one. Where I end 16. Okay, therefore this is 16. Okay, next this plus 8. Okay, this 8. I count these two numbers, 16, next 8. I keep it in my mind 16. Now I am going to count. count 8, okay, 16, next 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, okay. So what is the answer finally? 24, sorry, 24, okay, 24 plus this 8. I keep it in my mind 24. Now I am going to count 8, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, here 5 fingers, here 3 fingers, totally 8. Now I count that one where I end 32. Okay, so the answer is 32 what? Yes, centimeter. Perimeter of a square 32 centimeter. We have to write the unit. They are mentioning here centimeter, so we have to write in centimeters. That's all, students. I hope you are now you are all know how to find the perimeter of a figures. Okay. Here we have one example. Here we have rectangle. Okay, in a given rectangle opposite sides are equal. In square all the 4 sides are equal, that's why they gave only one only one value here. Okay, only one side length here, because all the sides are equal. Here they are giving only 2 lengths, because here opposite sides are equal, that's why they are giving the 2 length. We have to find another 2 length by using this length. In square opposite sides are equal, therefore this side is equal to this side. This side is 9 centimeter, therefore this side also what? Yes, 9 centimeter. Very good. This side is 3 centimeter. What about this side? Because this side is opposite to this side, therefore this is also, yes, 3 centimeter. That's the thing they are giving here. In a square, in a given rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter. What is perimeter? Sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Okay, LM, LM. Okay, this side, LM, MN, NO, OP. Sorry, here they are mentioning in wrong, OL. Okay, this must be, this is printing mistake. You have to change in your book. You change it in your book. OL. That's all. Okay. Now you are clear. What is LM? 9 centimeter. LM is 9 centimeter. MN. What is MN? 3 centimeter. What is NO? 9 centimeter. What is OL? 3 centimeters. Okay. Now we have to add these values. First I am going to add 9 plus 3. I keep it 9 in my mind. Now I am going to count 3 using my fingers. Okay, what is the next number to 9? 10, 11, 12. 3. Where I end? 12. Okay, 9 plus 3, 12. This is over. Next, 12 plus 9. I keep it 12 in my mind. Now I am going to count 9. What is the next number to 12? 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 5, here 4. 5 plus 4, 9. I completed. Where I end? 21. Okay, 12 plus 9, 21. Okay, this is over. Next, 21 plus 3. I just keep it 21 in my mind. I am going to count 3. 22, 23, 24. Okay, what is the answer? 24. Therefore perimeter equal to 24. Yes, centimeter. What is the unit here? Centimeter. We have to write. Okay, the standard unit, centimeter. That's all, students. Next, Here we have triangle. Okay, this is equilateral triangles, therefore all the sides are equal in length, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. In equilateral triangles only all the sides are equal. Okay, so what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides, x y, x y, y z, y z, z x, z x. Okay, we are adding three sides. What is the value? 7 centimeter x y, 7 centimeter. Okay, and y z 7 centimeter. Here we have 7, and z x 7 centimeter. So we have to add 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now you add 7 plus 7. Okay, I just keep it 7 in my mind. I am going to count 7 using my finger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. I will count it. Where I end? 14. Therefore 14. Now 14 plus 7. I just keep it 14 in my mind. I am going to count 7. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, where here 5, here 2, 21. That's why the answer is 21. Therefore the perimeter is equal to 21 centimeter. Centimeter is the standard unit. Okay, we have to write the unit. Okay, that's all, student. In the way you have to find the perimeter, I explained in very detail. Okay, next we have the exercise. Okay, this is very easy because I already explained how to find the perimeter, how to find the perimeter of the figures. Okay, you have to add all the sides, that's all. Okay, you have to add all the sides. Here they are giving the sides, in parallelogram. You have to write all the sides. I think the trapezium, you have to add all the sides. This is also parallelogram. You have to add all the sides. And this one not parallelogram. Sorry, this one not parallelogram, because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Okay, parallel and also equal. Here we have 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay, this is not parallelogram. This one is parallelogram. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 and 4. Okay, this is square. They are giving only one value, 11 centimeter. We already know square all the sides in square are equal. Therefore here also 11. This sides also 11 centimeter. This one also 11 centimeters. I already teach you. Okay, just now. This one rectangle. Here they are giving only two values. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore this is 5 centimeter. This side is opposite to this side. This side is opposite to this side. Therefore this is also what? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This one is opposite to this one. Therefore it is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to add all this value. That's all. This is very easy. Next I move on to next answer the following questions. Okay, let us discuss this one. Okay, a side of a square shaped sandbox in Gandhi Park measures 30 centimeter. Determine the perimeter of the sandbox. Okay, in Gandhi Park we have one sand. What is that? We have one sandbox. What is that? Side length 30 centimeter. The sandbox in which shape? Square shape. Okay, this is very important. The sandbox is in square shape. Therefore you have to draw the square. In square all the sides are equal. We already know. Here they are giving one side length 30 centimeter. Okay, This length is 30 centimeter. Suppose if you take it is A, this end point A, so this point B, and this point C, and this point D. This is square shape, okay? So all the sides are what? 30 centimeter. This is also 30, this is also 30, this is also 30. Now how to find the perimeter? Sum of all the sides. If you add all the sides, you will find out the perimeter. We already seen that one, okay? I hope you understand. Next one, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangle. Yes, this is important. So you have to draw one rectangle. I am drawing one rectangle. Okay, this is one rectangle. Now we have to name the sides. A, this side B, sorry, this point C, this is D. Okay, whose sides are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Which one is 12 centimeter? The length is 12 centimeter, and the breadth is 8 centimeter. This side is 8 centimeter. Okay, in rectangle opposite sides are equal, therefore this side is equal to this side. Okay, this is 8 means this is also 8 centimeter, this is 12 means this is also 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. If you add all the sides, you will find the perimeter. That's all, students. Next, third one, find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are 30 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Okay, you just draw one triangle. Here I draw one triangle. Okay, in different length. I name it A, B and C, whose sides are 13 centimeter. One side is 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and another side is 5 centimeter. I put this one 5 centimeter, and another one is 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter. Okay, here we have three values. Okay, now we can find easily its perimeter. Just adding these three sides, we get that perimeter. That's all, students. Next, fourth one, the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the parallelogram? Adjacent side means the parallel sides. Here I draw the parallelogram. Okay, adjacent side means these two sides. Okay, this is not clear. This side is A, B, C and D. Adjacent side of parallelogram 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. This side is adjacent to this side, therefore this is also 7 centimeter. Next one 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. This side is adjacent to this side, therefore it is also 6 centimeter. Okay, student, now you have to add this all the sides, you will find the perimeter. That's all. Next, the sides of a trapezoid measures 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. What is the perimeter of the trapezoid. Okay, so now I'm going to draw trapezoid. Now I see. Okay, uh, here they are giving the measures. I name it A, B, C and D. Okay, AB is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and next 7 centimeter, and next 4 centimeter, and next 5 centimeter. Okay, so here we have the values. Now we have to add these 4 values. Okay, if you add the 4 values, you will find the perimeter of the trapezoid. That's all, students. Next we move on to next topic. Now here we have the tangram. Okay, you have already learned what is tangram in your 3rd standard. Tangram is nothing but it is a traditional Chinese puzzle. A square is divided into 7 pieces or 5 pieces. That is called tangram. By using that pieces we can make so many pictures like animals, house, boat. We can make so many pictures. That is called tangram. You see here. Okay, here we have here we have the 7 pieces. In the 7 pieces we have one parallelogram, one parallelogram, and one square. Where is that square? Okay, here. 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Okay, by using these shapes you can make many objects. Okay, here they are just making one object. It is like bird. Okay, in that way you can make. This is the original tangram. Okay, original tangram is in original tangram has 7 pieces, totally 7 pieces. This is simplified version of tangram. It has totally 5 pieces. This is this picture is made by 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, therefore totally 5 pieces are there. In this picture they are using 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I hope you understand the difference. Okay, tangram is this. Tangram is nothing but a square divided into 7 or 5 pieces. Okay, in that shape we have one parallelogram, one square, and 5 triangles in 7 pieces tangram. In 5 pieces tangram, one square, one parallelogram, and 3 triangles. One square, one parallelogram, and 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay, I hope you understand. That's all, students. Next, here they are giving the activity. Here they are giving the tangram pieces. By using these pieces, you have to arrange some shape here. Okay, you can arrange it any shape. Okay, that's all. Here they are giving some activity. Here they are giving some shapes. By using this shape you can make any pictures. Okay, meaningfully, like a house, okay, sorry, like a house or boat, any other thing. Okay, you use this shape and make it some pictures like this. Okay, and here they are giving some pictures by using the shape. You just see. Okay, here they are asking one question: can we fill a circle with square tiles? Okay, no, we can't fill a circle with square tiles. Why? Because circle is curved figure. Here they are asking first of all, you see here, in this triangle they are filling the gaps by using the triangle. Okay, you just see this shape, they are using the triangle, by using the triangle they are filling the gaps in the big triangle. Okay, here in circle, by using the triangle they are filling the gap in big circle. Okay, in that way they are asking, can we fill a circle with square? No, the answer is no. We can't fill the square with we can't fill circle with square tiles, because if you take square in this circle, suppose if you want to fill the circle, we will have the gap. Okay, in tiling there is no gap. Okay, that is the definition of tiling or tessellation. This is also you learned in your third standard. Tiling is and tessellation is nothing but in tiling or tessellation, if you are arranging some pattern, there must be no gap and overlap. Okay, here we have the gaps. Okay, if you take square to fill the circle, we will have the gaps. Okay, therefore we can't tessellate a circle by using the squares. Okay, we can't fill, because square have straight lines. Okay, square have straight lines, but in circle have curved lines. Can we fill rectangle by using square? Yes, of course, because in square have straight line, all the sides are all the lines are straight. In rectangle also all the lines are straight. Yes, of course we can fill it. Okay, by like this, square by square. Okay, I am filling the rectangle by using square. Okay, you see, like this way we can't fill circle. Okay, here we can fix by using the square. Okay, now I hope you understand. Next we move on, next topic. Exercise 1.2, fill the appropriate tiles. Okay, we can use any tile. I am taking triangle. Okay, you see, okay, you see this part, what is this? Triangle. You see this part, what is this? Triangle. You see this, what is this? Triangle. What is this? Triangle. Okay, I am filling this shape by using 1 2 3 4 triangles. In the way here also we can fill. Now I am taking the triangle. You see, sorry, this is not the right way. Okay, here also you can see I am using triangles by using to fill this shape. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. This is pentagon. Okay, it has 5 sides. This is pentagon. I am using the triangle to fill the pentagon. That's all. Okay, now we are going to see the interesting topic. Okay, you see this activity. Which tile can you choose to fill the space given below, and find how many tiles are needed to fill the given space? Okay, suppose if you take this rectangle, this rectangle shape. What is the length? 3. What is the breadth? 2. Okay, here I am taking the rectangle, length of 3 and 2. Okay, this length is 3, this length is 2. Here also I am taking one rectangle, this length is 3 and this length is 2. Here also I am taking rectangle, length is 3, this is 2. In the way I am taking. This is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, this is what? 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeters. Okay, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeters. Okay, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. Now you see, in this side length is 10 centimeter. Okay, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles are there. That's breadth length is 2. Okay, if you add this this length, you must have the 10 centimeter. Then only we are fixing the rectangle in the correct way. Okay, here we are having how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 2's. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2. Now you add 2 plus 2, 4. This 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 8. Now this 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, 10 centimeter. Okay, this side length is 10 centimeter. Therefore we are fixing that correct way. Here you see, in the above we are fixing only 1 3. If you add 3 plus 3 plus 3, what is the answer? 3 plus 3 plus 3, you must have 15. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, here we have 15 centimeter. Okay, so 9 is not equal to 15. So our fixing way is wrong. Okay, this way of our fixing is right. Here we have 10 centimeter, but in the column we are fixing way is wrong. So I am fixing once again. Now you see, in the column we have only 3, we must have 15. Okay, so I am taking triangles 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This length is 2, this length is 3, this length is 3, this length is 3, 3, 3. Here I have how many 3's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you add these 3's, if you had 15 centimeter, you will fix the correct way. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, now you count, I just keep it 6 in my mind, and now I am going to count 3. 7, 8, 9. Okay, therefore 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. Yes, now finally I get 15. Therefore this fixing way is correct, because this 15 is equal to this 15. And in the column we have in that breadth we have how many rectangles? In the breadth also we have 5 rectangles. We have seen that one. So I just take 5 rectangles, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now you just joining that line, that's all. Okay, just joining. Okay, now you see this length is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. If you add this length, you will get 10 centimeter, and if you add this length, you will get 15 centimeter. Okay, now the fixing way is correct. Okay, now we have to find how many rectangles are needed to fill this big size rectangle. Now we can count 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 18 say 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. There are 25 triangles are needed to fill this big triangle. If you take length breadth 3 centimeter 2 centimeter, that triangle if you take this triangle, if you take 25 triangle, then only you can fix these big triangles. Okay, in the way you have to do all the shapes, students, that's all. Okay, now I hope you understand. Here also length is 2, breadth is 2. Okay, in the way you have to take 2 2. For example, this length is 2, this length is 2. In the way you have to fix all the square here, and you have to count how many squares are there. Just now I teach you how to find that shapes value. Okay, that's all. This is also the same thing. Next I move on to next one. Okay, which shape can you choose to fill the space given below and fill the following table? Okay, here they are giving one rectangle, big size rectangle. This length is 15 centimeter. Sorry, this breadth is 15 centimeter. The length is 36 centimeter. Shape chosen, how many can be fit into it? Will it exactly fit into the space provided or not? Yes or no? Okay, example triangle. If you take 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter triangle, here if you take 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter triangle. Here you can fix that they are asking if you can fix this rectangle by using the triangle. The answer is no, we can't fix the rectangle by using this triangle. Okay, if you want, you can try. Okay, how many can be fit into? There are 2 triangles are fit into. Exactly fit? No, there is no exactly. We can't fix it exactly, because if you fix any triangle like this, we will find the gaps. Okay, so we can't fix it exactly. Okay, like just now I fix the rectangle here, exactly in the way we can fix it, because we will find some gaps. That's why they are putting here no. Okay, rectangle 3 centimeter 6 centimeter, yes, we can fix it by using 30 rectangle. We can fix this big rectangle. Okay, exactly, that's why they are putting yes. Okay, so in the way you have to take all the values, and you have to try to if you can fix that rectangle, you have to write how many rectangles, how many here square, how many rectangles are there, how many rectangles are there here. Okay, here we can fix it exactly or not. You have to write by using that square or rectangle. We can exactly fix that. If you can fix that big rectangle, you have to write yes. Or if you are not fix that big rectangle exactly, if you have to write you have to write no. That's all, students. Next I move on to 3D shapes. Okay, properties of 3D objects. You are now you see you have already seen this in your third standard. A cube has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the 6 faces are equal. Okay, this is cube. Okay, the plane surface here, this is called what? Face. And that corner point, okay, this point, okay, these points are what? Vertices. And what is edge? The corner line, the border line. The border lines are called what? Edges. In cube, how many plane faces? 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the back side 4, 5, 6. The down 1. Okay. And 8 vertices, the corner point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that side. Okay, that is 8 vertices. Example: dice, ice, cubes, buildings, blocks, Rubik's. Okay. Yes, you see this box. Okay, it is in cube shape. Okay, now I am going to count the vertices and edges and faces of this cube shape. Okay, now you see, now first of all I am going to count the faces. Okay, there are 6 faces, this the plane surface, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces. Now I am going to find the edges. Okay, now I am going to find the edges, the corner line. Okay, the corner line, this straight line is called edge. Okay, now I am going to find 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there are 12 edges. And now I am going to find the vertices. Okay, the corner point. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the down 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices. That's all, students. Next one, cuboid. Cuboid also, similarly cuboid also have same faces, edges, vertices as cube has. Okay, cuboid has 6 plane faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Cuboid also has, and cube also has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. There is no difference. Only one difference, in opposite faces are equal. Here the opposite faces are, this face is equal to that opposite face, this face is equal to this opposite face. Okay, but in cube all the faces are equal. In cube all the faces are equal. See, all the faces. Okay, all the faces are equal. This face, this face is equal to this face. This face is equal to in the behind we have the face. Okay, all the faces are equal. Here opposite faces only equal. That is the only difference in cube and cuboid. Here they are giving some example: matchbox, bricks, okay, eraser, book, so many things. Next we move on to sphere. A sphere has only one curved surface. It has no vertices and edges. Yes, it has only one curved surface. This is the curved surface. Okay, it has no vertices and edges. Edges means the straight line. There is no straight line. Okay, and vertices mean the lines are joining the corner points. Okay, this point. There is no point like this. Okay, so there is no vertices and edges. Okay, here they are giving radius. Okay, radius is nothing but the line joining the center point. Okay, into the center point to another point. That point is called radius, and here we have one center point. That's why they are marking. What is diameter? Diameter is the line passing through the center line. Okay, the whole line is called diameter, and in that half that is called radius. Okay, that's all, students. Next we have cone. A cone has one plane face and one curved surface. It has one vertex. Yeah, the two, you see the two sides are joining one point, therefore it has one vertex. Yes, it has one vertex. One plane face. Which is the plane face? In the down we have one plane face. Okay, that is one plane face, and one curved surface. Which is the curved surface? You see this surface, this is called curved surface. Okay, one plane, one vertex, one curved surface in which? Cone. Yes, this is the example of cone. Cone ice cream. Wow, you are, we are you are eagerly eating that one, Joker's cap. Okay, Joker's cap they are wearing on the head. That is called Joker's cap. Next, cylinder. Yay! Yeah, a cylinder has two plane faces. Okay, what are the faces? Here we have in the top we have one plane faces. In the down we have one plane faces. Therefore, two plane faces and one curved surface. Which is a curved surface? This one is called curved surface. Yes, one curved surface, and it has no edges and vertices because there is no straight lines, only curved lines are there. This is curved line, not straight line. It is look like a straight line, but it is not straight line, it is curved line. Okay, so be careful. There is no straight line means there is no vertices. Okay, there is no vertices. So cylinder has two plane faces and one curved surface, and it has no edges and vertices. Next one, this is an example. Here they are giving the activity: fold and form cube from the following nets. Okay, they are giving some shape. Okay, like that. In that, by using the shape we are going to form the cube. Okay, you see here this box they are giving like this. Okay, this shape. Okay, I am just taking the shape. Okay, like in this way they are giving the shapes. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, here I can't hear it. Okay, this is the first one, this is second, in the middle this is third, this is 4, 5, 6, sorry, 5 and 6. Okay, the shape is like that. I am having the shape is in the form. Okay, we have to fix like this. Okay, I am fixing, in the way you have to fix. If you fix, you will have the cube shape. In the way you have to fix the second one and the third one. Next, okay, using the nets form cuboids. Okay, this is in cuboid shape. Wait and see, I explain. Okay, now I have the shape like this. Okay, in the net, okay, in the nets form. Here they are mentioning, nets form. Now I'm going to make the cuboids. Okay, just folding. You see, I make that shape. In the way you have to fold the paper. You just take one paper like that, and you have to fold, and you have to make like this shape. Okay, that's all, student. Okay, it is in this form. I'm just folding, and I'm going to make the cuboid shape. Okay, you see the full shape. That's all. It is very easy. Next one. Here try it. Make 3D shapes using clay. Okay, individual activity. Clay means sutta kaliman. Sorry, kaliman. Okay, by using that clay, you can make the 2D shapes. You can make 3D shapes. Next one. Make a cone with semicircle. You just if you just folding this end to this end, it will form the cone shape. You just fold this end to, just roll. Okay, just roll this end to this end. It will form the cone shape. Okay, I will do it. Okay, here I have the semicircle. Okay, you see, by using the semicircle I am going to make the cone. You see, we just fold this semicircle like, unroll it. If you have the cone, what is this shape? It is in which shape? It is in cone shape. Okay, in the way you have to make it. And second one, using rectangle, what you have to make a cylinder using rectangle sheet. Okay, this is rectangle sheet. I am just rolling this sheet. Now you see, it is in which shape? Cylinder shape. Yes, it is in cylinder shape. Okay, in the way you have to make. Next one, exercise 1.3. Choose the correct answer. A cuboid has dash edges. How many edges? A cuboid has, yes, 12 edges. The shape of dice is like what? Yes, it is in cube shape. Next one. Okay. A dash has a curved surface and two plane faces. Which shape has two plane faces and one curved surface? Which shape? Yes, that is cylinder. In cylinder, you see, in cylinder, this is in cylinder shape. It has two plane surface. It has two plane surface, one, two, and one curved surface. Okay, cylinder is the right answer. Cylinder is the right answer. Okay, cylinder. I have one vertex and one plane face. I am a one vertex, one plane face is which? Yes, cone. In cone, there is one vertex and one plane face. As we already learned in that above. I already teach you in above. If you don't know, you go and look that one. Okay. A cube has how many vertices? Yes, 8 vertices. Cuboid also has 8 vertices. That's all, students. Next, we move on to compare and differentiate 2D and 3D objects. Okay, here the comparison, concept, definition, dimensions, examples, 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, now what is the definition? Definition of 2D shape, 2 dimension. It is 2 dimension. It is 3 dimension. That's why they are shortly mentioning 2 and D. 2D means 2 dimension. 3D means 3D means dimension. 3D dimension. Okay. Here they are mentioning the dimension. What are the dimension? Length and breadth. In 2D shape there is only length and breadth. Square is a 2D shape, you know. Sorry, rectangle. If if you take a rectangle, it is in 2D shape. Square also 2D shape. This is length, this is breadth. Okay, this is 2D shape. Okay, this is 2D shape. It has length and breadth. But in 3D shape, there is length, height, and width. Suppose if we take the cuboid, I draw the cuboid here. In the way you have to draw the cuboid. Okay, you just draw the rectangle and two rectangle and just join the corner. If you will get the 3D shape rectangle. Okay, this is the 3D shape. This is cuboid. Okay, cuboid is made by what? Rectangle. You already learned in third standard. And cube is made by what? Squares. Okay, don't forget it. Here in this 3D shape we have 3 dimension. This is length. Okay, this is length. This is width. Okay, that is called width. Also breadth. Okay, and what is height? This is called height. H. Okay, L, W, H. I shortly named L. L means length, W means width, H means height. That is 3 dimension. That's why it is called 3D shape. Here we have only 2 dimension, L and B, length and breadth. That's why it is called 2D shape. Okay, this rectangle is called 2D shape. This cuboid is called 3D shape. Okay, next examples. Okay, square, rectangle. Just now I draw the rectangle. Here rectangle, square, okay, circle. These are all the example of what? 2D shapes. And 3D shapes, a cube. Okay, cube is made by square. Just draw the square. Sorry, we just draw the square. Like this. Okay, this is the example of cube. Okay, cuboid is made by rectangle. You just draw the rectangle like this and joining the corner you will get the cuboid. Okay, cuboid. Cone is nothing but this is cone. Sorry, that is not clear. I draw here. This is cone. Okay, it has 3 dimensions. And cylinder, this is cylinder. Okay, cylinder. These are all the example of 3D shapes. It has 3 dimensions: length, height, and width. Length, height, and width. 2D shapes, 2 dimension, length and breadth only. That's all. That is the difference, students. Next, we move on to next topic. Find out 2D and 3D objects from the given pictures. Okay. 2D object has 2 dimension. Here the chessboard has 2 dimension. This is length, this is breadth. Therefore it is 2D. This is cube. It has 3 dimension. This is length, this is width, this is height. Therefore it is 3D. Here we have our national flag. It has 2 dimension. This is length, this is breadth. We have only 2 dimensions, therefore it is 2D. Okay, here we have one photo. It has 2 dimensions. Okay, length and this is breadth. Okay, so this is 2D. This shape has 3 dimensions. Okay, this is length, this is width, this is height. L, W, H. Therefore it is 3D. Okay. In the way you have to find all the shapes. Okay, in the way you have to find all the shapes and mark it here. What is this? Okay, for example, this has 3 dimensional: length, width, and height. Okay, therefore it is 3D. Sorry, 3D. This photo has 2 dimension: breadth, length, L, B. Therefore this is 2D. This phone has 2 dimension, length and breadth. Okay, therefore it is 2D. This photo also have 2 dimension, length and breadth, 2D. This is also has 2 dimension, length and breadth, 2D. This is also 2D. but in the orange it has three dimension: length, width and height. Okay, therefore it is 3D. This is also has three dimension: length, width and height. Therefore it is 3D. Cylinder, length, width and height. Therefore this is height, this is length, width. Okay, therefore it is 3D. This is 2D. Okay, length and breadth. Okay, this CD. Okay, this is in circle shape, therefore it is 2D. Okay, this is in rectangle shape, rectangle is 2D. This is in what? Not cylinder, sphere shape, therefore it is 3D. That's all, students. Okay, I finished the first unit, geometry. In next video we will discuss the numbers. Okay, today class is over, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, OTT channel. Okay, please subscribe and support me.